Alrighty, it's 5:05 on Tuesday, September 10th. It is giveaway time. First off, I want to say thank you to everybody. Everybody who has subscribed to my channel, who's been watching it. The views are off the chart. Subscriptions are off the chart. It's unreal watching this all unfold. And I want to say a big thanks to Whitlock Garage, aka United by Trucks, by giving that shout out the other day. That was just the influx of subscribers and views and love I've gotten has been unreal. So without you guys, I wouldn't be doing this. Like everybody says, it's a lot of work doing this stuff. It kind of slows the process down, but I kind of wanted to help out the community because between other YouTubers and the forums, I've gotten a lot of help. So I wanted to give back. So I know a lot of my videos is just me rambling on and kind of think out loud, but I'm hoping it helps people. So. But anyway, I wanted to go ahead and do the giveaway. Let's get to it. So again, this is for a sticker pack. I've got a blue and a white Rusty Wrenches stickers that I'm going to be giving away, as well as a set of 8 flex fuel injectors. They are AC Delco. They are the 51 pounders from a 2010 up flex fuel truck. That's what I'm running in my truck right now. Great. They plenty of room to go if I ever want to, add power adder, whatever it may be. So, but anyway, like I said, I'm going to go ahead and use TubeBuddy here. We have a total of 108 comments on this channel, which is crazy because if you look at all my other channels, I got 10, 11, 16, 108 on that one, which is awesome. Still, I'm still kind of in shock that this is all happening. But anyway, using TubeBuddy here. So let's go ahead and pick a winner here. So. Just to show that I am doing it as fair as possible, I'm using a TubeBuddy. It's going to randomly pick a comment from all the comments. So anyway, let's go ahead and start with the sticker pack. So I'm going to go ahead and pick that one here real quick. Gene Holmes, you get the stickers. So I'm going to put down in the description here, I'm going to put my email address. So Gene, shoot me an email with your address, and I will get those stickers shipped off to you. And hopefully you enjoy them. Now, on for the injectors. So I'm just going to go ahead and pick it. I know everybody's been kind of waiting for this, so here we go. Sean Derrick, you got the injectors. That's pretty cool. So looks like you actually are doing just what I did. Actually, doing exactly what I'm doing. That's pretty cool. So you do have leaf springs, and you're converting over to trailing arms and a Ride Tech Street Grip Kit. So that's awesome, man. So, hey, same truck. Cool, man. So, anyway, same thing. Shoot me an email. I'll put that down below with your address, and I will get those in the mail to you guys. So, that's it, man. I appreciate everybody entering in and commenting down below. It's been a wild ride. We hit 1,000. I think we're up to like almost 1,200 now, which is unreal. So, just keep going. Keep plugging at it. So, I've got some new projects coming up here. And hopefully everybody's interested in them. So, but anyway, that's it for today. And I appreciate everybody for their support and appreciate everybody for entering in this contest. So, anyway, next time, we'll see you guys later.